we're confident. You think 49 is posible? Okay. Telling us it's possible that we might be able to get the bike in. So we're taking off the windscreen. Works the best we can. So what really is next is to make the top for this thing, to make sure it's there. We're gonna put it in here, right? Or yeah, we can put it underneath the put those mirrors in something. Let me give you some bubbles.
When I was a young man, standing in the dawn, the room was dark and smoky, the smell of death before me. Think I'll go down, mama, go on down the road, see what's going on down the road. Lots of friends and children laying in the grass. Hookah makes me crazy, believe I'm gonna have to pass. Think I'll go down, mama, go on down the road, see what's going on down the road. Then you find your cocaine, start to moving fast. Trip, stumble, fall, freeze up, hope your body lasts. Think I'll go down, mama, go on down the road, see what's going on down the road. Pick one. Drinking a plenty good liquor, bourbon 12 years old, heroin just in time, worst trip that I know. Think I'll go down, mama, take a pass, go on down the road, see what's going on. Some people into Jesus, other people into Zen. I'm just into every day. I don't hide from where I've been. I just go down,